Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the basic disassembly of the standard Viking TRA 10 series circumferential piston pump. As always, please read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure all maintenance steps are completed. The following tools are required: a soft-headed hammer, the provided specialty wrench, O-ring pick, Allen wrenches, and a dowel made of plastic or another non-metallic material. To begin, first remove the pump cover wing nuts using the provided wrench or a soft-headed hammer and remove the pump cover. If necessary, use a soft mallet to tap the cover to loosen it. Remove the pump cover O-ring. Next, orient the rotors perpendicular to each other. To prevent the rotors from turning, insert a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material into the pump body. Use the provided wrench to remove the rotor nuts. Hit the wrench sharply with a soft hammer to loosen each nut. Remove the rotor from each shaft. Take note of each rotor position, as each will need to be returned to the same shaft when reassembled. Next, loosen and remove the retaining screws on the pump body. If necessary, tap both sides of the pump body with a soft mallet and remove the pump body by sliding it off the studs, taking care not to damage the seals or drop them onto the shafts. Your Viking TRA 10 series circumferential piston pump is now ready for service. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.